No, it's Walker Entertainment here. We're here for you instead.
What are you talking about today?
Same place like you.
Puppeteering
Yeah,
information.
I know. I'm telling you, it's Walker Entertainment here. It's gotta be fun for you. What up? I see you. I see you too, homeboy. It's Walker Entertainment here. You gotta be fun.
What are we talking about today?
Donna here. The best therapy I ever seen in my life.
What are we talking about today?
Like, for real. For real.
For real, what are we talking
For
about
real.
today?
That's right.
Puppeteering?
The real life puppeteering.
Good.
Real life.
Do you know what puppeteers
Yeah.
do?
Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, you know. But you do. But you're next, yo. It's Walker Entertainment here. You'll be fine.
Show us what puppeteers do.
Keep whispering, yo. It's Walker Entertainment. Get perhaps from you. What up? It's Walker Entertainment here.
Your puppet's coming
You
alive.
know that. See right there? It's Walker Entertainment
I see it
here.
moving and
It's
talking.
gotta be fun. Yeah.
Who is your favorite puppeteer?
Oh yeah? But, let me tell you, it's Walker Entertainment here. It's gotta be fun.
Who is your favorite puppeteer?
You don't know that. Why?
What's his name?
Yeah, I will tell me sometimes. But it's Walker Entertainment. I'm telling you, it's not McNeil. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm spoiled. You don't know. They do. Come for you.
Got it.
See this? See this? Entertainment. Look at this. There you Fun for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's up here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There it is. Oh, yeah. Now you're here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
What else are you going to tell them about puppeteering?
That's right. You heard them. You heard them here. How do you? See? It's definitely not gay here. But who is it? Well, I tell you who is. But who? But I tell you who. It's your puppeteering form is Dr. McNeil, maybe. Percent. That wasn't bad. Yes. You know so negative for you. But yeah, I know, that's what I'm telling me. But it's Walker Entertainment. We're live right now. But I tell you who is your favorite, the puppeteering from my favorite puppeteer is Nook McNeil, the voice of Bear from Bear in the Big Blue House. He is the best puppeteer in my life. You might not know that Noah was also the voice of Miss Focus, yeah. On Sesame Street, yes. The other famous puppeteer is Jim Henson, yeah. And he is the best known from Frozen Kermit the Frog.